ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ପୁଣି ଥରେ ସ୍ୱାଗତ MFT ସଫଳତା ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ। ଆଜି ଆମେ ପଢ଼ିବା କ୍ୱାଲିଟେଟିଭ୍ ଡାଟା ଆନାଲିସିସ୍। ହାଉ ଏ ରିସର୍ଚର conduct a qualitative study such as case study, narrative and descriptive research, etc. and how to analyze the qualitative data through the various methods. Friends, a research study, whether qualitative or quantitative, result in the output of the data required for answering the research question. This data may be exist in qualitative as well as quantitative form. We have already discussed about the type of data generated through qualitative research along with the methodology and ways of analyzing the quantitative data in the previous chapter. Contrary, so the work done in quantitative research and qualitative research like ethnography research, qualitative research friends. Qualitative research means ethnography research, case study research and documentary research generate. Friends, ethnography research means to study particular culture. Case study means to deeply understand in-depth study of a phenomena. And documentary research generate. Most of the time, the type of data designed as a qualitative data, the analysis of which need a different type of approach, attitude and working on the part of the researcher to drive meaning out of it for getting answer to their research question. Friends, this chapter we will discuss the nature of the qualitative data and the approaches and methodology adopted for carrying out the task of qualitative data analysis. Okay friends, what are the nature and types of qualitative data? Okay, nature and types of qualitative data. Friends, nature and types of qualitative data. The data gathered from the well-planned efforts in carrying out a research study may be qualitative and quantitative in nature. But quantitative data, as we have seen, describe and infer the properties and characteristics of things, individual groups, events and phenomena in their quantitative aspect through quantitative measure expressed in the term of number and numeral. Friends, simple, the quantity and quality. Quantity refers to numerical and number, but the qualitative data on other hand stand for describing and inferring the properties and characteristics of the things, individual groups, events and phenomena in their qualitative aspect through qualitative measure expressed in a variety of way, not limited to number or words. Friends, qualitative data refers to the quality of properties, characteristics, things, individual groups, not limited just a word or a number. They can use any language, verbal, symbolics. Verbal means words or description. Symbol means a symbolically representations. Take any from audio, video and audio, video, writing, oral and existing in any form of. The essences and reaction and interpretation made by the researcher of people, objects and situation according to the Mills and Hurwitz. So friends, qualitative and quantitative is nothing. It is a type of data. Qualitative refers to the words, descriptions, individual things, not limited the words. It also include verbal, symbolic, audio, video, audio visual records, and also include such as you may also say that written, oral in existing form of essence of a character of a data friends. As a matter of definition, the term of a qualitative data in reference to the research studies refers to the data generated at the time of conducting research for the qualitative description and inference drawn about the people, objects, and situations under study available in a variety of forms, mostly descriptive and narrative nature. Friends, mostly descriptive and narrative in nature. Descriptive means to describe the phenomena in subjective manner. Narrative also same meaning. Narrate the phenomena in subjective manner. Friends, qualitative data in subjective in nature, but quantitative data in objective in nature to quantify, but qualitative data not quantified in some number, not quantified some symbol. It is describe narrative in nature. The variety of forms and shapes in which qualitative data is available for drawing out sense of its through its analysis and interpretation may be listed as under. Friends, written text and transcription of conversational, therapeutic and consultative interview, focus group discussion and legal trials. It is a qualitative data gathering methods. Written text and transcription of conversational discussion, therapeutic or consultative interviews, focus group discussion, etc. It is a type of road or methods to collect data. Field note, diaries, audio and video recordings, photographs and sketch drawn at the time of observations and recording of the events. And friends, similarly, documents in the form of historical and literary pieces, records and registers, memos, emails, newspaper clippings, magazines, journal, article, autobiographies and biographies, films, audio video recording, painting, map, survey, then archives, etc. is the type of document to include in qualitative manner. Friends, qualitative data in describing a narrative nature through the written text, transcriptions, diaries, notes, audio video recording, clippings, magazine, journal, etc. Friends, type of data. Friends, type of data. Type of data may be textual, may be narrative and visual. Friends, text data refers to document form and diaries, but narrative data collect through the interview and therapeutic consultative records, and visual also include three ways such as observational, field note, photographs and videos. Friends, text in document diary forms, narrative in interview forms, visual in theme forms, observation field visit, photograph or audio. Type and form of a qualitative data: text, narrative and visual. Friends, what is the qualitative data analysis? What is the qualitative data analysis? Friends, in simple word, the processing of qualitative data representing the qualitative description and narration of the object of the study, often through qualitative data collection technique by the researcher, mostly in their qualitative research study, to drive meaning out it for the answering their research question, in generally refers to as a qualitative data analysis. In this qualitative data, it involves organizing, presenting, explaining and analyzing the collected data. First, friends, it is involving means the data analysis in involving organizing, presenting and explaining, also analysis. Involving means to involve the data in systematic form and organize the data in step by step, presenting data in coding manner, explaining data in narrative manner, analyzing data in comparison. Also comparison, or also I may say that the analysis manner. Friends, one to another compare in various pictorial forms. Quality data to drive useful meaning from it for the serving the purpose of the qualitative research study in hand. How to carry out qualitative data analysis?